Today, I'm going to share with you an amazing Forex indicator that makes trading super easy, even if you're a beginner. With this tool, you don't have to guess anything. As soon as you get a buy or sell signal, you just place your trade. That's it. The indicator automatically shows you the stop loss and take profit levels. You simply follow the signal and set those levels. No confusion, no stress. Sounds easy? That's because it really is. Let's dive in. But first, quick disclaimer, trading Forex, binary options, or CFDs involves risk. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed advisor before risking real money. Remember, past results don't guarantee future success. Trade responsibly. Now, let me show you how to use this indicator step by step so you can trade with more confidence and less guesswork. Here's how it works. When you see a buy or sell signal, place your trade immediately. Then set the stop loss and choose one of the 3 take profit levels based on your risk to reward style. Stick to M5 or M15 timeframes. These give faster signals, great for scalping or quick intraday trades. Avoid low volume times, like late nights or weekends. Skip major news events. They can cause sudden market moves. And always practice on a demo account first. Once you feel confident and consistent, then move to real trades. Want to try it out? Download this indicator for free. Link is in the description below. Test it on demo, then go live when you're ready. So let's jump into the charts and get started. As you can see on the screen, I've placed a buy trade right after getting the buy signal from the indicator. No confusion. Just followed the signal and entered the trade. For this trade, I've selected Take Profit Level 1, which is the safest target for a quick win. Now comes the exciting part. Will this trade hit our target or go the other way? Let's watch and see how this trade plays out in real time. Profit or loss, we'll learn from it together. This live example will help you understand exactly how to follow the indicator and how simple it is to use, even for beginners. So don't skip. Stay with me till the end to see the full result and learn the logic behind the setup. Let's roll the chart. Great. As we can see from the chart, the buy trade perfectly hit Take Profit Level 1, TP1, just as planned. That's a winning trade, all based on the indicator's signal. No guesswork, just follow the setup and lock in profits. Now, let's move on and find the next perfect trade setup using the same indicator logic shown in the chart. Alright traders, take a look at this setup. Here, I've taken a sell trade based on the fresh sell signal from our indicator. As soon as the signal appeared, I entered the trade without delay and followed the indicator's suggestion by setting the stop loss and choosing Take Profit Level 3 as my target. The market started moving in our direction, and now the big question is, will it hit our TP or reverse to hit the stop loss? This is a perfect live example to understand how this indicator performs in real market conditions. No guessing, no overthinking. Just follow the signal, set your levels, and let the trade play out. Keep watching, because in just a few seconds we'll find out whether this trade turns into a profit or not. And we'll learn from the outcome either way. Let's watch the chart and see how it goes. Alright traders, this time the trade didn't go our way. As you can see on the chart, we followed the sell signal exactly as given by the indicator. We entered the trade, set our stop loss, and take profit levels. But unfortunately, the price reversed and hit our stop loss. Yes, this trade was a loss, but that's a part of trading. Losses do happen, even with good setups. What's important is that we stick to the strategy, follow proper risk management, and keep our emotions out of it. Remember, this strategy is designed for consistency, not perfection. Even professional traders don't win every trade. The key is to win more over time than you lose. So don't get discouraged. We'll now move forward and look for the next high probability setup. Stick with me because every trade, win or loss, teaches us something valuable. Let's get back to the charts and wait for the next signal. Who knows? The next one could be a solid winner. Alright traders, here's our next trade setup. I've just placed a buy trade after receiving a fresh buy signal from our indicator. As shown on the chart, the signal came with a predefined stop loss and 3 take profit levels. For this trade, I've chosen to aim a little higher. I've set my target at Take Profit Level 2 for better reward potential. Now the big question is, will the price climb and reach TP2 or fall back and hit our stop loss? We're going to watch it unfold live and learn from the result either way. This is why I love using this indicator. It keeps things structured and emotion-free. You just follow the signal, set your levels, and let the market do its thing. Stick with me till the end to see exactly how this trade plays out. Let's get back to the chart and watch it in action. And there it is, traders. Another successful trade. As you can see, our buy trade hit take profit level 2 just as planned, locking in a nice profit of 26.19 USD. We followed the indicator's signal, trusted the setup, and stayed disciplined. That's the power of a rules-based strategy. Whether you're a beginner or experienced trader, this kind of strategy makes trading easier, more structured, and less stressful. Stick to the rules, trust the indicator, and always manage your risk. Losses may happen, but consistent setups like these can bring long-term results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to more powerful trading content. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming live trade examples and strategy breakdowns. Want to try this indicator yourself? Check out the free download link in the description below. Remember to test it on a demo account before going live. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video with another live setup. Until then, trade smart and stay consistent.
Be your own boss.